It's a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. 'Cause I'm a long way from where we began, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again. Plug it in.
Oh, plug in
The white cord.
what?
The phone says in there.
Oh yeah. Damn. This beat. This beat. This beat. Damn, this beat. Damn, this beat reminds me of me when I was just 18, a G. Going to school in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Yeah, learning about my soul, learning about my people, learning about everything and anything I wanted. Yo, the devil wasn't in my life yet. Until, and yeah, I'll never forget going back home. Going back home, being with my niggas. I got a Crown Royal, go figure. I bought a 40 and straight up got fucked up. I was only 18 years old. I started hanging with gangsters that hold money and got stacks and gold. And then I started drinking some more, 'cause I wanted to be like them. I wanted to be loved. I wanted to be me. So now I'm me, and I don't need booze, I don't need drugs, and I don't need you. I don't need family, I'm through with that shit, motherfucker, but I'll never forget. I love my whole family, and I will commit. Damn, I will commit to getting off this. I'm still in the streets, life still is a bitch, but I'm still gon' eat regardless. And yo, shit, I sound retarded, but I don't give a fuck. I ain't no target, my shit is straight buck. And you will be motherfucking trying your hardest, and you will not be. Fuck, I forgot what I was gonna say, but hey, it's just not my day. But yo, this is how it goes. Life sucks and it shows, and I know that I gotta grow up.
It's a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. 'Cause I'm a long way from where we began, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
I got the shit up. End of the stick.
Oh no.
But I guess
Leander, understander, he's the commander, reprimander. Mikey's part of the gander, trying to land her, picture Flynn Flander, trying to brand ya. It's true, but what is your truth? Are you part of the solution for our youth's evolution? My carbon copy ain't contributing to Earth's atmospheric pollution. Got the new revolution and begin evolving our race to have a better future than the path that we on. Don't worry, I'm not criticizing, just part of our century's uprising. level of a world of millennials. We never met the devil, never been part of a war, addicted to doing a score. Stuck in the satanic hardcore reality. What, where, whatever happens is what you see. Banking, weapons and drugs, beaten by thugs, just waiting for the one to show you some love. But it never happens cause we convince ourselves we are part of the block. Now all I come across are heads and cops. The cops stop me in the middle of my tracks. It's time to backtrack, let's go back to that. Get back to me, to a time I did not represent my city. I only made money and bounced back to my fantasy. Let's get off and go to bed, forget the rest. Like you know we the best, the best. You know the rest, that's the best. Put it to the test.